Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of edible seeds and uncovering the amazing benefits they bring to the table, quite literally. From sunflower seeds to chia seeds, these tiny powerhouses are not just delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. Get ready to discover how incorporating these little wonders into your diet can boost your overall health, support digestion, and even contribute to weight management. So, grab your snacks, and let's explore the fantastic benefits of edible seeds together. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more wellness insights. Let's get started. Lemon seeds, often discarded, actually contain beneficial compounds that contribute to a healthy body. Rich in vitamin C, lemon seeds support the immune system and may aid in preventing diseases. They also contain antioxidants that combat free radicals. While there isn't a specific recommended daily dose for lemon seeds, incorporating them into your diet by grinding them into a powder or including them in recipes can be a nutritious addition, providing extra fiber and nutrients for overall well-being. Macadamia seeds, the creamy and buttery seeds of the Macadamia integrifolia tree, offer unique health benefits. Rich in monounsaturated fats and omega-7 fatty acids, macadamia nuts support heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. They are a good source of vitamins B1 and manganese, promoting energy metabolism and overall well-being. While not a direct disease preventer, their nutrient profile contributes to a healthy body. A moderate daily dose of about 1 ounce, 10 to 12 nuts, provides a convenient and delicious way to incorporate macadamia seeds into a balanced diet. Mango seeds, often overlooked, have potential health benefits. These seeds are rich in fiber, essential for digestive health, and contain antioxidants that may contribute to disease prevention by combating oxidative stress. While there isn't a specific recommended dose for mango seeds, incorporating them into your diet, perhaps by grinding and adding to smoothies or salads, can provide a nutritional boost. The seeds contain vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin C, as well as minerals like potassium, which support overall well-being when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Moringa seeds are small, rounded seeds derived from the Moringa oleifera tree, known as the drumstick tree or miracle tree. These seeds are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and E, calcium, potassium, and protein. Their potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties make them beneficial for overall well-being and may contribute to disease prevention by combating oxidative stress. A recommended daily dose of around 1 to 2 teaspoons, whether added to smoothies or sprinkled on salads, provides a nutritious and convenient way to harness their health benefits. Mustard seeds, derived from the Brassica juncea plant, are spice seeds renowned for their health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, mustard seeds may contribute to disease prevention by neutralizing free radicals. They contain essential minerals like selenium and magnesium, supporting immune function and bone health. Mustard seeds are also a source of omega-3 fatty acids. While not a direct disease preventer, incorporating mustard seeds into the diet provides a flavorful and nutritious addition. A moderate daily dose, around 1 teaspoon, enhances both taste and health benefits in various dishes. Olive seeds, found within the pit of olives, are nutrient-rich and contribute to a healthy body. They are a good source of monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants, which are known for their potential to combat oxidative stress. These properties make olives and their seeds beneficial for heart health and may help in disease prevention. Including a moderate amount of olives or olive oil in your daily diet can provide these health benefits, supporting overall well-being. However, moderation is key due to the high caloric content of olives and their seeds. Orange seeds, often discarded, contain various nutrients beneficial for a healthy body. While not commonly consumed, these seeds are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. They may contribute to digestive health and immune system support. Although their potential benefits are limited compared to the fruit itself, incorporating small amounts of ground orange seeds into smoothies or meals can add a nutritional boost. However, moderation is advised, as excessive consumption may not be suitable for everyone, and individual tolerance levels may vary. Papaya seeds, found within the tropical fruit center, are often discarded, but they offer unique health benefits. Rich in enzymes like papain, papaya seeds support digestion and may aid in parasite elimination. While not a direct disease preventer, their antioxidant properties contribute to overall well-being. Papaya seeds contain essential nutrients such as magnesium, phosphorus, and a small amount of protein. A recommended daily dose of around 1 teaspoon, when crushed and added to smoothies or dressings, provides a convenient and healthful way to incorporate these benefits into a balanced diet. Passion fruit seeds, often overlooked, are packed with essential nutrients beneficial for a healthy body. They contain dietary fiber, which supports digestive health, and are rich in vitamin C, contributing to a robust immune system. Additionally, passion fruit seeds boast antioxidant properties that may help combat oxidative stress. While the exact dosage may vary, incorporating a moderate amount of these seeds into your diet, such as in smoothies or sprinkled on yogurt, can provide a nutritious boost and potentially contribute to overall well-being. Peach seeds, often discarded, actually offer health benefits. They contain essential nutrients like vitamin E, which supports skin health, and vitamin B17, believed by some to have potential anti-cancer properties, though scientific evidence is limited. However, it's crucial to note that peach seeds contain amygdalin, a compound that releases cyanide when metabolized. As a precaution, it is not recommended to consume peach seeds in large quantities. If considering their consumption, consult with a healthcare professional to ensure safe and appropriate intake for individual health. Pine nut seeds, harvested from pine cones, are not only delicious but also beneficial for health. These small seeds are rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which support heart health. Additionally, they provide essential nutrients like manganese, magnesium, and zinc. Pine nuts may contribute to weight management and contain antioxidants that can help combat oxidative stress. However, moderation is key, as they are calorie-dense. Including a small handful in your daily diet can be a tasty and nutritious addition to promote overall well-being. Pineapple seeds refer to the small, black seeds found within the tropical fruit's flesh. While often discarded, they offer nutritional benefits. Rich in fiber, vitamin C and A, and minerals like manganese, pineapple seeds contribute to digestive health, immune support, and overall well-being. While not extensively studied for disease prevention, their antioxidant content may provide additional health advantages. Incorporating a moderate daily dose, such as consuming the seeds present in fresh pineapple, adds a flavorful and healthful boost to a balanced diet. Pistachio seeds, the edible seeds of the Pistachia vera tree, are not just delicious snacks but also contribute to overall health. Packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like copper and manganese, pistachios support heart health and may aid in disease prevention by reducing inflammation. These seeds contain vitamins B6 and E, promoting cognitive function and acting as antioxidants. A recommended daily dose of about 1 to 2 ounces, a small handful, provides a convenient and flavorful way to incorporate the health benefits of pistachios into a balanced diet. Plum seeds, found within the pit of the fruit, are often discarded, but they contain certain nutrients beneficial for health. Rich in fiber, they can contribute to digestive health and may help regulate cholesterol levels. While not a cure for diseases, the antioxidants in plum seeds may play a role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. There isn't a specific daily dose recommendation, but including plums in your diet can provide a wholesome source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support overall well-being. Pomegranate seeds, nestled within the juicy arils of the punica granatum fruit, are not only a delightful snack but also a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in antioxidants, particularly punicalagin and anthocyanins, pomegranate seeds may contribute to disease prevention by combating inflammation and oxidative stress. They contain vitamins C and K, supporting immunity and bone health. A moderate daily dose, around 1/2 to 1 cup of arrows, when incorporated into salads, yogurts, or enjoyed on their own, provides a delicious and healthful addition to promote overall well-being. Poppy seeds are tiny oil seeds obtained from the opium poppy plant, Papaya somniferum. These seeds, often used in culinary applications, offer health benefits. Rich in minerals like calcium and phosphorus, poppy seeds contribute to bone health. They also contain iron and zinc, supporting immune function. While not a direct disease preventer, their antioxidant content may aid in overall well-being. A moderate daily dose, around 1 to 2 tablespoons, when added to dishes or desserts, provides a flavorful and nutritious addition to support a healthy body. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are the edible seeds of pumpkins, Cucurbita pepo. These seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, rich in magnesium, zinc, and iron, supporting heart health and immune function. The high antioxidant content in pumpkin seeds aids in disease prevention by combating oxidative stress. Additionally, they contain fiber and healthy fats, promoting digestion and satiety. A daily dose of around 1 ounce, whether eaten on their own or added to meals, provides a convenient and flavorful way to harness their health benefits for overall well-being. Quint seeds, extracted from the fruit's core, are a lesser-known but valuable source of health benefits. These seeds contain fiber, which aids in digestion and may support heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels. While not a direct preventive measure for diseases, the antioxidants present in quint seeds contribute to overall well-being by combating oxidative stress. There isn't a specific daily dosage recommendation, but incorporating quints and its seeds into a balanced diet can offer a range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants for optimal health. Radish seeds, often overlooked, pack a punch of health benefits. Rich in vitamins like A, C, and K, as well as minerals such as potassium and phosphorus, they contribute to overall well-being. While not a direct disease preventive, their antioxidants may help combat inflammation. Incorporating radish seeds into your diet can be beneficial, and there's no specific daily dosage. Sprinkle them on salads or include them in meals for a crunchy, nutritious boost, supporting your body with essential nutrients. Raspberry seeds, often discarded, are a hidden treasure of health benefits. Packed with essential fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, they contribute to heart health and may aid in disease prevention. The seeds contain vitamins like E and B, as well as minerals such as magnesium and potassium. While there's no specific daily dose, incorporating them into your diet by blending them in smoothies or sprinkling them on yogurt can be a delicious and nutritious way to support your overall well-being. Sesame seeds, small flat seeds derived from the Sesamum indicum plant, offer a plethora of health benefits. Packed with essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and iron, sesame seeds support bone health and blood circulation. The presence of antioxidants, including sesamin and sesamol, may aid in disease prevention by neutralizing free radicals. Sesame seeds also contain healthy fats and vitamin E, promoting heart health. Incorporating a daily dose of 1 to 2 tablespoons, whether sprinkled on dishes or added to snacks, provides a tasty and nutritious boost for overall well-being. Spinach seeds, often overlooked, carry significant health benefits. These tiny powerhouses are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like iron and calcium. They contribute to a healthy body by supporting bone health, aiding digestion, and boosting the immune system. While there isn't a specific daily dosage, incorporating spinach seeds into your diet through salads, smoothies, or as a topping can be a tasty and nutritious way to harness their goodness for overall well-being and disease prevention. Squash seeds, often discarded, are a nutritional treasure. Packed with essential vitamins like B-complex and minerals such as magnesium and zinc, they play a vital role in promoting a healthy body. Squash seeds are known for their antioxidant properties, contributing to disease prevention by combating free radicals. Incorporating a small handful into your daily diet provides a nutrient boost, supporting immune function and heart health. There's no specific daily dosage, but adding them to salads, yogurt, or enjoying them as a snack can enhance your overall well-being. Sunflower seeds, derived from the sunflower plant, are a powerhouse of nutrients with various health benefits. These seeds are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that supports skin health and boosts the immune system. Additionally, sunflower seeds contain essential minerals such as magnesium and selenium, contributing to heart health and maintaining proper bodily functions. Their high content of healthy fats, fiber, and protein makes them a satisfying snack that may aid in weight management. Including a small handful of sunflower seeds in your daily diet can be a nutritious and delicious way to promote overall well-being. Tomato seeds are the small, edible seeds found within the flesh of tomatoes, known for their nutritional content. While not typically consumed in large quantities, they offer benefits. Rich in antioxidants like lycopene, vitamin C and K, and minerals such as potassium, tomato seeds may contribute to heart health, immune support, and overall well-being. While not extensively studied for disease prevention, their nutrient profile adds value. Incorporating tomatoes into daily meals, with a recommended daily intake of 2 to 3 servings, provides a tasty and healthful addition to a balanced diet. Walnut seeds, derived from the juglans genus trees, are nutrient-dense powerhouses known for their heart-healthy benefits. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, walnuts support cardiovascular health and may aid in disease prevention. They are rich in minerals like copper and manganese, contributing to overall well-being. A daily dose of about 1 to 2 ounces, a small handful, offers a convenient and tasty way to harness the nutritional advantages of walnuts, promoting a healthy body and supporting various bodily functions. Watermelon seeds, often discarded, are surprisingly packed with health benefits. These tiny seeds are a good source of protein, healthy fats, and essential minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc. They contribute to cardiovascular health, support immune function, and aid in digestion. Rich in antioxidants, watermelon seeds may play a role in preventing cell damage. Consuming a handful of roasted watermelon seeds daily can be a nutritious addition to your diet, providing a tasty way to harness their nutritional goodness and promote overall well-being. Zucchini seeds, often overlooked, offer various health benefits. Packed with essential nutrients, they contain a good dose of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. These seeds contribute to heart health, aid in digestion, and support immune function. Rich in vitamins like B-complex and minerals such as zinc and magnesium, zucchini seeds can be a nutritious addition to your diet. While there's no specific daily dose, incorporating them into your meals or consuming them as a snack can enhance overall well-being and provide a tasty nutritional boost. As we wrap up our exploration into the world of edible seeds, it's clear that these tiny additions can make a big impact on your well-being. From promoting heart health to aiding digestion and providing a plant-powered protein boost, these little seeds are nutritional superheroes. Remember to sprinkle them into your meals, and enjoy the delicious benefits they bring to your plate and your health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on leading a healthier and happier life. Thanks for joining us today, and happy munching.